Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I have for you a review of a brand new brand for me of gel polishes. The name of the brand is MOMO. So these are available on AliExpress. This is the seller is MOMO Lucky Store, the MOMO Lucky Store. They sent these to me for review. I have 4 colors right here. They do have quite a few other colors, but let's take a close look at these bottles, since this is like I said, a new brand for me. It's one that I've never used before. So I have 4 colors, and the bottles, as you can see, these are glass square bottles. The size these are 10 ml. They come with the square cap that removes. Okay, so this pops out like that, so you can take it out. They normally are labeled with the sticker, so you can see on top of the cap with the name of the color, and I will have swatches for these showing you the color. But I have one of the colors, one of the 4 did not come with the label, but this is the apple red. I will have the name on the screen. Can't quite remember. So this is, you remove the square cap, and this is, I found the brushes, they fan out pretty wide. Very good brushes. I did like the brushes, as you can see, and they do have a good length, so they were pretty easy to use. I liked them. I like the formula very well. I mean, they're not separated or anything. Really good cream color. These are all cream colors, no glitters or anything like that, just cream colors. I have 2 soft colors and 2 bright colors, and I will also have a design for you guys using all 4 colors. I will go ahead and show you that design. So let's go ahead and start with the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here are all the colors completed. As you can see, they have very good shine on their own without a top coat, but these are the type of gels that you do need a gel base and a top coat to finish them up. Beautiful formulas. I love that yellow. I was very surprised by that yellow. It did really good. The red, as you can see, is very bright. The blue and the tiramisu color, very buffed pastel-y. Now let's go on to the design. So here's the final result, guys. I absolutely love how this turned out. Now, when I was doing this, I would have been better if I had erased some of the white stamped image with acetone before applying the colors, because I ended up having to put multiple colors to get them to look opaque over that white. But I was afraid to use the acetone because I used the latex as a base, and I didn't want it to damage that latex and lift it up. But yes, this is how this turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. I really like working with these. Again, I will have the links down in the description bar below to the AliExpress store where these are available. I would like to thank Momo Lucky Store for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.